Yeah. Oh wait, I think we gotta. Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so we're gonna have GCS versus Archer. We're not putting you as Mr. Scott and Rob.
So far.
He wants to be Mr. Bunny and Notch. Okay. So we'll go right here. This is Archer. Yeah, Archer on the right. Archer and Mr. Bunny and Notch. You can just put GCS. Huh? You can put GCS. Or GCS.
Alright, so we have Archer and
Okay.
GCS.
Alright, so the first game, or the first time they met in winners quarters, this was the distance. Archer won game 1 and almost eked out game 3, but GCS dominated game 2. They meet again in the semifinals.
Winner of 6.
Winner of the money, so I guess that with oh, you're still in?
Wow.
Oh no, you're in winners.
Yeah. Capital S and B. Yeah, so far. I remember like Matthew. Oh, he got battlefielded. Battlefielded.
I think he like did that on purpose. He got the parachute through battlefield and then was gonna up beam back and save himself, but he didn't quite make it to the second round.
That's unfortunate.
But that's something that I would attempt again. You know, he's got to
Right now.
sometimes you use that setup for a I want to call it
No near. Yeah, exactly.
oh, this is grab.
Okay. Archer making it back. Misses the grab. But, oh! And GCS get GCS punch with the nair to finally kill, closing out the stock. Alright.
Look at this neutral game now he's picking him up with a huge strain.
Yeah.
72%. Now it's a matter of trying Archer to do
And that was a good edge guard by Archer. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I was about to go for the hammer. Down third and air. Oh. Oh, and Archer barely missing.
Yeah, but he traded a very low percent stock for a very high percent stock.
Yes. This is very good for Archer.
One swag. That's why they call him Mr. Money and Map.
This is why Falcon can be the lowest tier character. Because everyone always goes for all the disrespect and then they die for it. But, I mean, you have to do that.
Wow, GCS is making so much happen off
Yeah.
And
And I think that's it. And I think that's it. Oh, wait. Yep. The bomb jump still didn't save him.
Yeah. That
It was
bomb
good.
jump works if you haven't used your I feel all of scale it all at won't break the bomb, and I believe he used this bomb.
Yeah, he broke it. It just,
It just still don't.
yeah, it still doesn't.
So this is where they actually struck to the first time they played, and Archer won on this map, so it makes sense that this is
because he has all this wide open room to throw bombs and boomerangs, and GCS can't use Game & Watch's bucket to bucket anything.
And he can't, as he was doing a little bit on Battlefield, tech some platforms, and he can't use the tech platforms. Very nice.
Ooh, nice walk. Oh my
That was
gosh.
perfect. YouTube King has been doing that a lot with lately. Tech using air dodge. But
Great fair to fail.
even though he had second life, you know, second chance at that stop,
It still wasn't enough. So God, I'm so mad. I might just take it and run. Never mind. I'm not actually gonna take it and run.
if you're good commentator, speak up.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
This is the time.
Oh, and Archer's so unfortunate now making it back.
My mic was muted that entire time. Let's check your mic to see that
Oh my
it's
God.
on. Okay, so my mic was muted the entire time. This is that's
That's funny. That's funny.
This wouldn't have happened if Gimmer was here. No, I'm just kidding. My mic was muted the entire first game.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know to check for this. So green, now it's on.
green.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so it was... Alright. So now I can repeat
Exactly.
myself. I could just say all the same things I said in the first match, no one will know.
He's trying to upbeat reach him, and it works, which not high enough percent. And he whiffs the grab.
Yeah, and as we saw game 1, GCS has been taking those laggy moves that Archer's been throwing out, grabs and up Bs primarily, and using them as a huge opening. Very nice neutral game, throwing out that credit card. Without the help, he had, no platforms to run around on, but still was able to get a really nice opening. Wave dashing in place, throwing some bacon. Oh, he DI'd that bomb hard to the left. Oh, he's got could get a low percentage chain grab. He gets the regrab, but Archer with that expert mash.
This isn't Project M. This isn't what makes it good.
And Game & Watch good too.
Oh, whiffs the grab again. I think he needs to stop going for those grabs. But I think, but this is only 2 out of 3, right?
Yeah, in the game that he won, when they first played, he was grabbing a lot. But GameCube Scrub just has that spacing down. He's waiting just outside that grab range. He can jump in forward air further than Link can just straight up grab. So he's been respecting Link and just being a little bit further out. GameCube Scrub with a clean 2 stock, advancing to losers finals where he will play Libner.